Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if I sound like a little quiet, it's because it's like 1:30 in the morning. I just got home from work. I'm still in my uniform and I decided to film an unboxing because I got the new iPhone in the mail. So it is September 21st and the new iPhone XS and XS Max just released today. So yeah, I got mine in the mail and I decided to do an unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing what phone I got and what I upgraded from, then just keep on watching it. So we're just gonna open the box. I got this in the mail before I went to work. I was running so late, so I didn't even get to open it. I'm literally opening it on camera to see what this whole thing looks like. Okay, just so you guys know, I have the iPhone 7 Plus. So a couple phones have come out since this one, since my phone. So yeah, this is definitely an upgrade for me. The box. Okay, so let's do this. I did get the 64 gigabyte one because my 7 Plus is a 32 gigabyte and I feel like that was like more than enough space. So I did do 64 gigabytes, plus it was the more affordable product, and you know, I am balling on a budget right now, so that was, you know, in my lane, and I just stayed in my lane. They tease you. They literally tease you. So it does include the AirPod headphones, the charger, the little light bulb box for the charger, and guys, I got the gold one. Look how beautiful. This is such a pretty color. Okay, take off the cover for my 7 Plus. There is a pretty big difference there. Oh, but it looks so beautiful. Oh, hello. Hello. Bonjour. I'm assuming that says hello. And that too. Hello. If you have an iPhone or iPad running, bring it nearby. How cool, it setups automatically. So cool. Guys, I love it. The size difference doesn't bother me too much. So if you have a 7 Plus and a, you know, you're thinking about getting the XS, not the Max, I feel like holding the phone doesn't seem too different. The screen is like a little bit larger. Overall, I think it is beautiful. This gold is stunning. That completes this video. Please let me know in the comments below anything you guys were considering on getting, what you guys wish, if you guys were disappointed, if you guys got the iPhone. Just let me know. I'm so excited to have upgraded from my 7 Plus. I'm going to be turning this phone back in, and this is going to be my new baby. So please expect some vlogs with this phone. I definitely want to like play with the camera a lot. So yeah, I'm going to go to bed now because it's like 2 in the morning, and I'm gonna play around with the phone a little bit more, and I'll let you guys know in a future video what I think, if it's worth getting the new iPhone, if it's not worth it, if I feel like you should maybe save your money because it's a lot of money. I'll let you guys know in the next one. This is just simply an unboxing, but yeah, that completes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.